everybody? All right. Okay. The last class, what was discussed? The last class, we discussed the last class. Um, Types of exceptions. We discussed the last class, and after that, we discussed framework. Yeah. See, framework. What is the framework? We discussed the last class. Keyword framework. Keyword framework. That is test engine. What is the test ng? The test ng is the next generation. The test ng is the next generation. That is the keyword framework. The test ng introduced Cedric Bust in 2004 at Chicago. The Cedric Bust inspired on N unit and J unit. Based on that one, the Cedric Bust introduced the TestNG framework. By using TestNG framework, we are able to do end-to-end testing and smoke testing, retesting, regression testing, and parallel testing and group testing also. See, what is the difference between TestNG and TestNG and J unit and N unit? The TestNG, J unit and N unit. The N unit we are unable to, J unit and N unit we are unable to do the parallel execution and grouping. By using TestNG, we are able to do any type of things also. The TestNG framework we are able to discuss in Maven project. What is the Maven project? Maven project is nothing but build management tool. What is the build? Build is nothing but a application. The Maven able to handle the application all folders. So that's why the Maven is the build management tool. When you are creating the Maven project, in this project, the developers and the testers both are able to write the code inside of the Maven project. While executing the code, the reports will be generated automatically. The reports will be generated automatically. In this Maven project, we need to add some dependencies in pom.xml. In Maven project, we need to add some dependencies in pom.xml. What is the pom.xml? The pom.xml is the page project object model. Project object model. The pom.xml is the project object model. Okay. You know, guys, how to get the TestNG framework. Go to help. Already I explained yesterday. Okay. Go to help and click on the install or click on the Eclipse Marketplace. Once you guys are click on Eclipse Marketplace, once click on the Eclipse Marketplace, and after that we need to enter here test ng. Once you guys are entered test ng, click on go button. Once you guys are click on the go button, once you guys are click on the go button, then automatically the test ng is installed. The installed it should be displayed. That is not install. Install it should be displayed. Okay, this is the one process. The next process here, the TestNG is not displaying. Go to help. Click on install new software. Click on install new software. Here we need to provide TestNG. Here we need to provide TestNG and click on enter. See guys, here TestNG is there. See, we need to click on this checkbox and click on next and click on finish. Then automatically the TestNG will be installed successfully in your machine. This is the process for the TestNG framework. In this TestNG framework, we no need to write any type of main method. We need to use in TestNG framework only annotations. Only annotations. Okay. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear, everybody? This is the introduction of the TestNG and Maven project. Now I will create the Maven project. Go to file and click choose the new and select the others. Go to file, choose the new, select others, select the Maven project, select the Maven project, click on next button. Only here we need to click on only one checkbox. Only we need to click on only first checkbox, not this one. First checkbox. Click on next. Here artifact and group ID is there. This is the Maven technical terminology. Artifact and group ID. Artifact and group ID is the project name. Now I will provide ABS9. ABS9. Yes. Test NG. Yes. Test NG. Okay. So I need to click on. You guys are provide same ABS9. Okay. And here click on finish. Once you guys are click on the finish, see, you no need to once create the project, you no need to open immediately. Why? Because here setup is going on. If you want to open the project immediately, folder structure, it should not displayed. Once create the project, you can wait some time. This is 100% is successful. After that, you need to refresh the project, then you can open. Once create the open, immediately you no need to open the project. If you want to open immediately the project, you guys are unable to get the folder structure. Okay, so right click on here. You need to refresh. Right click on here. We need to refresh. And after that, you guys are observe. See, this is the project. We have some folder structure is there. See, SRC main Java. Here the developer able to write a code. SRC test Java. Here the tester able to write the code. Main related resource will be stored inside of the SRC main resource. SRC test Java resource will be stored inside of the SRC test resource. This is the library for the Java. This is the libraries for the Java. This SRC source code, everything will be stored here. The target is the output will be stored automatically. The last one is the pom.xml. This is the project object model, not a page object model. Project object model. We need to double click on this one. Once you guys are double click on this one, then it should be displayed. Okay. See here, basically, if you want to set up the Selenium project, we need to use jar files. Okay, project level. We need to use jar files project level. And if you want to create a Selenium with the TestNG Maven project, we need to add dependencies. We need to add dependencies. How you are able to get the dependencies? How we are able to get the dependencies? I will show you. See, you guys are put the dependencies. You guys are write it dependency. See, dependencies. Dependency, we need to provide dependencies. We have some dependency is there. All the dependency, we need to provide dependencies. Okay. So how we are able to get the dependency? How we are able to get the dependency? We need to go to the Maven repository. We need to go to the Maven repository. Select the main link. This is the Maven repository. Once you guys are go to the Maven repository, first what we need? Selenium with the Java. See, we need to click on Selenium with the Java. The latest one, 4.15. Click on this one. See, once you click on this one, dependency is there. Copy this dependency. Once you guys are copy that one, paste it here. And after that, what is required? Next one, TestNG. We need TestNG. Click on this one. Click on TestNG. Latest one is the 7.8.0. We need to choose the and paste it here. And paste it here. Once you guys are pasted here, this is enough. This is enough. TestNG with Selenium with the TestNG, we are able to create. If you want to do extra one, you need to log4j, you need to search, and you guys are provide log4j. Vulnerabilities you no need to take. That is the secured. Alpha also you need no need to take. This one we need to take. This is optional. Optional. This is optional. And we have one more plugin is there. Maven Surefire plugin. Maven Surefire plugin. You guys are click this one, click on this one, and click on paste here. Maven Surefire also is there, and Maven Core also is there. Not there. Maven Core. You need to take the Maven Core 395. No need to pick the alpha. Yeah. See, setup is done. First one is the Selenium with Java. Second one is the TestNG. Next one is third one is the log4j, Surefire plugin, Maven Core. Okay, we need to provide all the dependencies in pom.xml. See, once I do the save, setup will be going on. See here, building. Once I click on the control S, automatically the dependencies will be set to that project. The dependencies will be set to the project. Okay, done. 100% is completed. Once complete this Maven project, once complete the dependencies, you need to clean. We need to clean. What we need to clean? The project I need to clean. The project is success or not, build is success or not, I need to verify. See, any mistakes is there or not, I need to verify. So how I need to verify? Right click on here, run as Maven clean. Right click on the pom.xml, choose the Maven clean. Once you guys are click on the Maven clean, the Maven clean will be clean the project. Any errors is there or not? Okay. See, Maven install is the execute the code. Maven test also execute the code. Maven build also execute the code. But mostly we are using Maven install or Maven test. Okay. And checking purpose, project checking purpose, Maven clean. Okay. Project checking purpose, Maven clean. Executing purpose, test and install. Just I want to click on the Maven clean. Once I click on the Maven clean, I am expecting the project build is success. The Selenium execution is different. The Maven execution is different. Okay. See, we got a build success. Build success. We got a build success. See, setup is there properly. Okay. Our setup is there properly. And after that, once you guys are creating the setup, and we need to go to the src test java, right click and create a which class we are able to create? Test ng class. We need to create the test ng class and go to others. Go to right click on the src test java, choose the new, go to others, select the test ng class, click on next. 1 minute, the folder existing project must be specified. Automatically will be reflected here. Right click, others, but source is not displaying. Package, basically that is default, it will be reflected but is not displaying. So now I need to provide, first of all, I need to create a package on the src test java. Go to new, create a package. Now I will create com.naresh.scripts, com.naresh.scripts. You no need to click on create a package info and click on finish. Once you guys are click on the finish, right click on the package, go to new, click on others, and we need to select the class, click on new. See guys, package will be reflected, and after that we need to provide the class. Okay. Once you guys are creating the class, once you guys are creating the class, testng class, by default method will be reflected. Okay. By default method will be reflected. This is the first method. So you guys are observe. I will change the name, send you data, and login, and get a title. Okay, get a title, and system dot out dot println, launch the application. System dot out dot println. First of all, I will explain the framework style. I will explain. Okay. First of all, I will explain the framework structure. Okay. Wave of style I will explain. And after that, I will show you the code in real time, how to write the code in real time. In Selenium, every time launch method we are using. Am I correct? Every time. So in TestNG, how to write the code in real time, I will show. As it is, I will show you. Okay. Yeah. First of all, I will explain the framework way of style. System.out.println. Okay. Send the data. Send the data. System.out.println. We need to use application. Okay. And we need to provide system.out.println. Okay. Get the title. Get the title. Now I will execute the code without main method. Right click on here, run as testng. Right click on here, run as. How to execute the code? Right click on the code, run as one test ng. So you guys are observe, we got a success. I will execute one more time. Right click on here, one test ng. In Selenium, right click on Java application. See, everything is success, complete green color. If you guys are execute the code, once you people are able to get complete green color, that is completely success. If you guys are getting any brown color, some test cases are pass, some test cases are fail. If you guys are getting red color, all the test cases are fail. All the test cases are fail. So that is the difference between the different types of colors. Different types of colors. Okay. The next one, total how many methods is there here? Total how many methods is there? How many methods is there? How many methods? 4 methods is there. We are expecting 4 methods related: launch the application, send data, login application, get title, output. Okay, I will check what happened. Only it will be execute one, only it will execute this one. What happened? You guys are able to understand? We are providing 4 methods, but here executed only one. But what happened here? Okay, if you want to execute any If you want to execute any testng method, must and should annotation is required. Must and should annotation is required. Without annotation, the method is not executed. The method is not executed. See, you guys are observe only before launch method is there annotation. There is no annotation. If you want to execute any method, for example 200 methods is there, 200 annotations is required. Okay, must and should annotation is required, otherwise the method is not executed. Otherwise the method is not executed. Right click on here, run as test ng. Now it is execute successfully all the methods. Now it is execute successfully all the methods. See, before one method is execute, now four methods is executed. Four methods is executed. See, you guys are up, so get the title, launch the application, log in the application, send data. But we are expecting launch the application, but we got a get the title. What happened? It is very, very important question in interview. What is the what happened here? Question number one: how we are execute the testng methods? Without annotation, it is execute or not? It is not executed. Without annotation, the testng method, it is not executed. If you want to execute a testng method, must and should annotation is required. Question number two: we have a 10 methods is there, every method having the @test annotation. We have a 10 methods is there, every method execute, every method will execute, and once it is execute, what is the output? What is the output? If you guys are declare @test every method before, the time your output, it will be reflected based on the alphabet order. Is it clear? The output will be reflected alphabet order. It is very important. Okay, this is the process. This is the process. There are a different types of annotations is there in testng. There are a different types of annotations is there in testng. The first one is the @test. The second one is the before method, before test, before class, after method, after test, after class, after suit, and before suit is there. These are all annotations in testng. Every annotation I will explain clearly. Okay, every annotation I will explain clearly one by one. If you want to execute any type of method, must and should, we need to use the annotation. The annotation is the testng terminology. Before method, before method, we call annotation. Annotation is the terminology. Maven group ID, artifact ID is the one terminology. Okay, technical terminologies. We are unable to call before test, before method, before after test. That we call annotation. Annotation is comes under before method, before shoot, before after method, of everything is comes under annotations. Okay, annotation is the technical terminology in test ng. Clear? Huh? Not required in framework. This is the framework, not a Selenium Java project. This is include Java with Selenium TestNG framework. This is the framework. Okay. Six. See, now you guys are observe. Just I need to create a method. See, you guys are observe clearly. I need to use one annotation before method. Before method. I was using this annotation. Import we are expecting. It is not displaying. Then we need to write maximum it is displaying import org dot testng dot annotations. Okay, done. And once you guys are provide this one, I will execute. Output what happened you guys are observe. See, output what happened you guys are observe. I no need to explain. First you guys are observe output what happened. When I provide the before method, what is the output style? Three times. Okay. How many methods is there? We have total 4 methods is there. One method is the before method. Remaining is the @test. Before method is not a method. That is common method. Okay. Listen. Whenever you guys are provide the before method, the before method will execute every method before. Title before method will execute. Login the application before login the application will execute. You guys are observe. And send data before login application, launch application will execute. Okay, you guys are observe. Get title before launch will be execute. Login before launch will be execute. Send data before launch will be execute. The before method will execute every method before first. Total 10 methods is there. 10 methods, every method before method will be execute. For example, before method is the launch application. Okay. And this is the get title. First launch the application, get the title, close. Launch the application, send the data, close. Launch the application, enter username and password, click on login, close. That is we call before method. You are able to understand? Clear or not? Shall I explain? Yeah. We have send data login is there. Okay. Send data login. If you want to send the data, what we need to do? First of all, we need to launch the application. If you want to click on the login button, what we need to do? First of all, launch the application. So we have a total three is there. One is the before method, second one is the send data, third one is the login. Okay, so the before method, launch method will execute before send the data. Okay, once send the data, it will be closed, and launch method will execute before click on login button. Once launch the application, enter the username and password, click on login button, it will be closed. That is we call before method. It is clear or not? Clear? Yeah. The next one, is it clear or not? అర్థమైందమ్మా? Okay. The next one, you guys are observe. I provided before method. I provided before method. Okay. Total how many methods is there? Four methods. One is the before method, test one, test at the rate test after method. So I will execute this one. You guys are observe. What is the output you guys are observe? You guys are observe. What is the output? 1 minute. See what happened? What happened? I will show you one more time. See guys, what happened? You guys are observe. What happened? Okay. See, total how many methods is there? Total 4 methods is there. Total we have a 4 methods is there. Okay. The first one is the launch, send, login, log out. Okay. Launch is the before method. Logout is the after method. See guys, every method before launch will be executed. Logout will be executed. Launch method before the test case. After the test case, logout. See, we have a 2 test cases is there. Every test case before method will execute. Every test case after method will be executed. Okay, before method is the launch AUT, after method is the logout. Okay, you guys are don't forget, listen carefully. It is annotations is very important. Real time we are able to use the annotations. Okay, see, before method will be execute, before method will execute first before the script. After method will be execute once launch the application and execute the script, and after method will be execute. Okay, every method before method will execute, every method after method will be execute. That is we call before method and before method and before after method annotations. Before method after method annotations. It is clear or not? Which order? Correct. It is executed. How it is executed? Based on the alphabet order. But this order it will be not executed. Alphabet order it will be executed. But what we are mentioning here, I have a 2 test case is there. One is the send data login. If you want to send the data, first of all, we need to launch the browser or not. With launch the you are able to send? Impossible. So the launch the browser is the before method. Once send the data, after that I want to close the active window. So that is the after method. Is it clear? See, before method, after method, between one test case, send it execute or not? Before method, after method, between one test case will execute, that is send data. So without before method and after method will execute based on the alphabet order. So that is not a proper order. If you want to execute a proper order, we need to provide the annotations. Okay, before method and after method. Is it clear? Hmm. Test ng based on the user flexibility. 200 methods is there. Out of 200, if you want to execute any type of order, you are able to execute. For example, 193 you want to execute fast. It is execute. It is possible. How it is possible? I will show you. Okay. Any test case, number of test cases is there in test ng. Based on our expectation, we are able to execute all the test cases. Okay, all the test cases. Is it clear or not? Right on. Today we have one screening test. What time, guys? What time? To a confirm? Yeah, ma. Did you get the information, guys? Any kind like how many? What is the right time? Two is confirm or not? Confirm. Which location? Main building or new campus? New campus. You know where is the new campus? Exact. Reliance Fresh is there. Smart is there. Opposite way is there. Okay. Go straight and one chaurasta is there. You need to cross the chaurasta and the right side U turn. When you guys take the U turn, right turn, corner, not Begumpet. Yeah, Begumpet route, same Begumpet route. So you don't go that way. Eki road, Sida Eki road. Yeah. Okay. It is easy to go to way straight only one road. Okay, you can take, yeah. And when you guys take the right, the time first building, Naresh IT. That is the own building, Naresh IT. Um, you guys are able to write properly. All the best, guys. Once you guys are done your screening, you people are able to move to the next round. Huh? Question paper, pennu, notes, plank, pencil, sketch pencil. Yeah, you guys are take the resume. Resume pen, it's enough. I think one is the descriptive, second one is the objective. Descriptive is there, objective is there. Descriptive means writing. Okay. Objective means ABCD. Okay, both is there. Descriptive objective types is the total 7 or 8. 7 or 8 or 10 below. Descriptive is there. My notes is enough. Manual testing, automation, selenium, and yeah, it is enough. You guys are able to write that one. Okay, maximum across I am expecting 300 plus. 300 plus. Not only our students in Naresh IT, every testers able to attend. Okay, all trainer students. Hmm? Yeah, you can take the ID card. Must and should. How you guys are how people are recognize you are Naresh IT people are not. Only you can take Aadhaar card. Okay. Okay, Naresh ID proof you guys are take it. Naresh ID card. Spelling mistake, they will take care of it. HR team. Okay. Online, guys. Two, three papers is there. They will pick within the three papers, okay, which is the best they will pick. Three papers is there total. Um, I think everything covered: manual, Java, Selenium, and API, one or two questions. Cucumber also not sure. I provided, yeah, Cucumber also one or two questions. TestNG, everything is there. Okay, Java, we need to write a code that is mandatory. Java. Okay, based on the question paper, you need to write that code. Okay, write down test ng. Okay, so you guys are able to write, you people are able to select, you will move to the next step. So that's why I'm telling, um, don't neglect, concentrate. Okay, I said clearly which is important in automation: Selenium and Java. Manual, you guys are focused on that. Put the heading test ng. The test ng is the keyword framework. The test ng is the keyword framework. The test ng is the keyword framework. This is designed Cedric Bust. This is designed Cedric Bust. CEDRIC BEUST. In 2004, yet in 2004 at Chicago, he is inspired. He is inspired JUnit and NUnit. He is inspired JUnit and NUnit by using next line, by using TestNG framework. We are able to automate by using TestNG framework. We are able to automate by using TestNG framework. We are able to automate any type of application and we are able to do end-to-end testing and we are able to do end-to-end testing, comma, regression testing, comma, retesting. Next line, the TestNG able to do the parallel execution and group testing parallel execution and group testing. Yeah, next one, Maven. Put the heading Maven. Maven. This is the build management tool. This is the build management tool. This is the build management tool. The Maven, next line, the Maven provide folder structure. The Maven provide folder structure. Folder structure. The Maven provide folder structure. Next line. In this Maven project, the developer able to write the code in one location. In this Maven project, the developer able to write in this one location. The Maven project, the developer able to write code one location. The Maven project, the developer able to write the code one location. Okay, next line, src main Java. Okay, src main Java. Next line, the tester able to write the code in one location. The tester able to write the code in one location. src test Java. The tester able to write the code in one location. src/test/java. Okay. Next one. Once execute the code. Next line. Once execute the code, the output will be stored. Once execute the code, the output will be stored. Once execute the code, the output will be stored. The output will be stored inside of the target folder. Inside of the target folder. Okay. Yeah. Next line. If we want to configure the Maven project, if we want to configure the Maven project, if we want to configure the Maven project, we need to set up pom.xml. If we want to configure the Maven project, we need to set up pom.xml. Bracket project object model. Project object model. Okay, now. Okay. Next line. In pom.xml, we need to provide the dependency. In pom.xml, we need to provide the dependency. In pom.xml, we need to provide the dependency. Under dependencies, in pom.xml, we need to provide the dependency under dependencies. Okay. Next line. The required dependencies. The required dependencies. Colon. Okay. The required dependencies, not semicolon, colon. Okay. 2 dots. Next line. Next line. Selenium with Java. One by one. Selenium with Java. The required dependencies, colon. Next line. Selenium with Java. Next line. TestNG. Next line. Log4j. TestNG. Log. LOG log. Number 4. J for jungle. Okay. Log4j. Next one. Maven Surefire. Surefire. Surefire plugin. Maven Surefire plugin. Surefire. Surefire plugin. Maven Surefire plugin. Maven Core. Maven Core. Okay. Maven Core. Yeah. Next line. If you want to set up the Maven project, Selenium with Java and TestNG. If you want to set up the Maven project, Selenium with Java TestNG. If you want to set up the Maven project, Selenium with Java TestNG, we need to provide above all the dependencies. We need to provide above all the dependencies under pom.xml. We need to provide above all the dependencies under pom.xml. Next line. Okay, next line. Once we provide the dependencies, once we provide the dependencies, once we provide the dependencies, we need to clean the Maven project. We need to clean the Maven project. Clean underline. We need to clean the Maven project. Okay. Next line. Arrow marks. Arrow marks. Right click on the pom.xml. Arrow mark. Right click on the pom.xml. Arrow mark. Okay. Right click on pom.xml. Arrow mark. Not words, guys. Arrow mark is symbol. Okay. Not words. Right click on pom.xml. Arrow mark. Okay. Select run button. Arrow mark. Select run button. Okay. Select run button. Choose the clean. Choose the clean. Choose the clean. Okay. Yeah. Next line. The Maven setup is there. The Maven setup is there properly. The Maven setup is there properly. The build is success. The build is success. The Maven setup is there properly. The build is success. Any mistakes is there in this project? 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 The build is failed. The build is failed. Done. Okay. The any mistakes is there in this project? The build is failed. Okay. Maven related complete information I provided. Okay, what is the SRC test main? What is the main Java? What is the target? Okay, what is the pom.xml? Everything I explained clearly. Okay, clear? Okay, next line. How to install the TestNG in Eclipse level? How to install the TestNG in Eclipse level? How to install the TestNG in Eclipse level? Okay, write down. Go to help tab in Eclipse. Go to help tab in Eclipse. Click on go to help tab in Eclipse. Select the go to help tab in Eclipse. Select the Eclipse marketplace. Select the Eclipse marketplace. Select the Eclipse marketplace. Enter TestNG. Enter TestNG. Enter TestNG. Click on Go button. Click on Go button. Okay. Go to Eclipse marketplace. Enter TestNG. Click on Go button. Next line. The software is installed. The software is installed already. Then it should be displayed installed. Underline. The software is installed already. Then it should be displayed. The software is installed already. Then it should be displayed installed. Full stop. The software is not installed. The software is not installed. Then it should be displayed install button. Then it should be displayed install button. Full stop. We need to install the TestNG by using monkey testing. By using monkey testing, we need to install the software by using monkey testing. Done. Next line. The software is not available in Eclipse Marketplace. The software is not available in Eclipse Marketplace. We need to go to help. We need to go to help in Eclipse. We need to go to help in Eclipse. We need to go to help in Eclipse. Select the install new software. Select the install new software. Once enter the below link. 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 The TestNG, it should be displayed. Once enter the below link, the TestNG, it should be displayed. Once enter the below link, the TestNG, it should be displayed. We need to install the TestNG. We need to install the TestNG. You need to write the below link, this one. Guys, you need to take the below link. As your wish. Okay. See what is the TestNG, what is the Maven, how to install the TestNG is completed. Okay. So, and next one, create the, okay, how to create the project package and the class and annotations I will explain. Clear? Any doubt, guys? Huh? Yeah. Okay. What? 1 minute. Online guys, do you have any doubt? By using TestNG framework also, we are able to do the smoke and and regression and end-to-end testing also. Okay, now watch. Mostly re and regression end-to-end testing. Okay. Any doubt? Online and offline. Online guys, do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, please text me here. Online guys, if you have any doubt, please text me here. Okay guys, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, I will continue tomorrow. Yeah, Ajita, I will provide the Google Classroom in this Google Classroom link. Okay. I will share the Selenium now. Okay. Okay. 100% అయ్యేలా వెయిట్ చేయండి. ఏంటి అని చెప్పి సెలెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఫస్ట్ నమ్ముతూ ఉండాలి. పెండింగ్ తీసుకోవాలి. పెండింగ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అది రిజిస్టర్ అవుతుందంటే రిజిస్టర్ తెలుసా ఫైల్ రిజిస్టర్ వెయిట్ చేయండి. అయిపోయిందండి. 48 దగ్గర వస్తుంది. ట్రస్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ select all, first select wait check. Yes, I will provide the questions after completion of the test ng. I will provide. సరే ఎట్లా వస్తుంది కామా పెడితే వస్తుంది
అప్పటికి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయండి సార్.
ఓఎస్ అప్డేట్ ఉందాం చూడు ఒకసారి.
అంటే అప్పుడు 32 అనేది బిట్ అనేది లిస్ట్ అప్పుడు 64 అని చెప్పాను. మళ్ళీ నేను వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ క్రోమ్ లో డ్రైవర్ అని ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపోయింది.
సెలెక్ట్ అది పెట్టుకుంటే 58 రీస్టార్ట్ నో అంటే ఓకే రీస్టార్ట్ ఎస్ సార్ చూడు ఇది రీస్టార్ట్ టెస్ట్ అండ్ ఇప్పుడు అప్డేట్ ఇది రీస్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. రీస్టార్ట్ కొట్టు ఇందా చూస్తే ఫైల్లోకి వెళ్ళి పర్లేదు 32 బిట్ కదా ఒకవేళ అది ఎర్రర్స్ కాదు. ప్రాసెస్ జరుగుతుంది అది రీస్టార్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ప్రాసెస్ జరుగుతుంది కొంచెం సేఫ్ ఆ టెస్ట్ వచ్చి చెక్ చేసుకోవాలంటే చేసేసి సేపు వెయిట్ చేయి ఏదో ప్రాసెస్ జరుగుతున్నాను ఇంటర్నల్ అయిపోవాలంటే సరే చూద్దాం 6:30 మేబీ అది అవ్వకపోయినా కొట్టేసి ఇంగ్లీష్ కొట్టేసి ఎస్ పట్టుకొని పని చేస్తా ఏం చేసావు నేను చేశాను నేను బిల్లు పాత్ర వేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసాను